Good afternoon, students. In previous lecture, we were dealing with the topic that is how to improve the productivity. In the same topic, we were at the point SMED means a single minute exchange of a die. The basic principle of SMED are: first is identify internal versus external changeover task and analyze each task real purpose and function. Third, focus on no or low cost solution. And fourth is aim to eliminate changeover time. Typically, SMED broken down into three stages. First, separate internal and external setup. Second, convert internal setup to external setup. And third, internal, streamline internal and streamline external element. In SMED, there are the steps involved. That is, first step is setup area and benchmark timing. Second is analyze area, list unnecessarily point. Third is separate external element. Fourth, identify internal element that can be converted to external. And fifth, is simplify, standardize everything. Again, the next was just in time. That is already studied. That just in time is nothing but zero inventory management. It is also a Japanese technique and it has the very simple philosophy that what you require will be at the right time, at the right quality, at the right quantity. And TPM also we have gone through, that is total productive management. It achieves the perfect production, that is no breakdowns, no small stops or slow running, no defect. And these are come under the TPM: autonomous maintenance, early equipment management, plan maintenance, train education, quality integration, safety healthy environment, focus improvement, TPM administration. Now, Pokayoka. Pokayoka is also a Japanese term which means proofing or inverted error prevention. Pokayoka is any mechanism in any process that helps an equipment operator avoid yokeri means mistakes, and poka. For example, car safety features, terminals, microwaves, washing machine, dishwasher, and other household applications. We continue to it. There is example of car safety features. Car are equipped with the many error proofing features to keep safe on the road. Many car will beep. Many car will beep on light up if doors are open while the engine is running, or if someone is in the passenger seat and their seat belt is not fastened. These are examples of the warning functions which alerts users potential error. Safety technology has advanced significantly in a recent year. Many cars nowadays come equipped with a sensor that alerts drives if they are leaving their lane, or warn turn if they are too close to on another car or other object. It's a Now, Kanban it is also a Japanese technique. It is also a Japanese technique. Kan means card and ban means single. Kanban is a new technique for managing a software development process in high efficient way. Kanban underpins Toyota just-in-time production system. Although producing a software is creativity activity and therefore different to mass production car, underlying mechanism for managing the production line can still be applied. The word Kanban is Japanese and roughly translated means card you can see. Now, 6 core practices of the Kanban method. First is visualization, the flow of work. Second is limit work in progress. Third, manage flow. Fourth, make process policies explicit. And fifth, implement the feedback loops. And sixth is improve the collaboratively evolve experimentally using the significance method. Now, this is shown in the diagram. Pending are shown as analyze, do and done. Then development, doing and done. Test and deploy. Thank you.